my name is Shavi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you might have already seen the title and the thumbnail, and I'm going to review these eyeshadow palettes by Nicka K. So I got these yesterday and I asked you guys on my Instagram if you would like to see a review, and you guys said yes. So yeah, here I am. Also, I saw Shreya Jain's video and she said that these are the perfect dupes for Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in the variant Emerald and Ruby. So that's great as well. Those are like really expensive. Like I guess those are for 2500, and these are very inexpensive. These are for rupees 699 each, but you also get these in combo. Like I got this 830 mein these two palettes, so that's a great deal as well. I'm really excited to use this and want to see if the hype is worth it, because like every other influencer loves this palette, like literally. Let me just show you how they look. So they come in this translucent packaging, and the packaging is of the same color as the pigments inside. So you get a lot of shimmers and mattes, you can see. Also the packaging is very sturdy, like it is not flimsy at all. Obviously you don't get a mirror with it, but that's fine, that's okay. So you get a lot of matte and shimmer shades. Let me just swatch it and show you guys how it looks. So I'm going to take this one here and maybe this one. Let's take this as well. So I see that shimmer shades a little bit chalky, but that's fine. And this is how they look. Can you guys see how pigmented these eyeshadows are? I love this. Like shimmer shades a little bit more pigmented, if you can see already. So yeah, that's good as well. Let us just swatch is wale palette ke bhi and see how they are. I'm going to take this one right here. Yeah, mattes are a little bit more creamy and shimmers are a little bit chalky, but that's fine. So here you see the pigmentation is amazing if we consider the price point. And yeah, I love the shades. These are so beautiful. Like you get all the pastels and deep colors. So yeah, let's just see how they work on my eyes. I'm done with my base. You guys can already see I will be using this palette right here. Like I'm not in a mood for green, but anyhow, let's just get started with it and see how they work. Okay, so I'm taking this shade right here and putting it on my crease. And just making a wing eyeliner. Now I'm taking this shade can you see the pigmentation? Now I'm going to take my concealer So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to make a wing eyeliner here on this orange part. Now that I'm done with my white eyeliner, I'm going to take this orange again. And just dab it a little bit on this as well. Yeah, I like it. This is looking like a neon eyeliner and I love it. So yeah, that's done. Now that we've tested our matte shades, I'm going to take this shade here and just put it in my inner corners. I'm taking this again and just putting it here. And yeah, we are done. I really like the pigmentation and they feel really good on my eyes. Like these are very soft, also very easily blendable. So I like it. Also for the price that you're paying, this is just amazing. Yes, let me just do my second eye and I'll be back in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm done and this is how it looks. I really love it. You can see there is a little bit of fallout, but that's completely fine. We can just dust it off like that. So yeah, that's it. It looks amazing. I really like the pigmentation and they're very soft, also very affordable, so there's a win-win situation. And also they have this label at the back wherein they have written that these pigments are eyeshadows and these three pigments are also blushes. So 1, 2 and 3, we can also use them as blushes. So let's try that as well. I'm going to take this brush right here and I'm going to take I guess we should take this one. So I'm taking little bit because these are like very pigmented, and I'm putting it here. Okay, so since these are so pigmented, I don't know if I will use them as my blush, but I like the color. Maybe like once or twice I will just reach out to them for my blush, but that's about it. I like it. Like these are very blendable, and yeah, I think they work great as blushes as well. If you like your blush a little bit peachy, and orangish, so you can go for this. This however does not have pink blushes, so that's that. But I like how it looks. And let me just complete this phase and then I will give you my final word. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. I love how it looks. Like you can see these are very pigmented, like you can see the color in your face. So I like how this look turned out. These get a huge thumbs up from my side. They are a bit chalky, or there is a little bit of fallout, but that's completely fine for the price that you're paying. Like 800 mein you get two of these, and 400 में such a good palette, and these are very handy. Like these are great for travel purposes because these are not bulky and you won't end up breaking them. So I love how this look turned out. The pigmentation is just amazing. I just cannot say this enough. So yeah, that's about it. They get a huge thumbs up from my side. If you are starting up, you want to experiment with your eyeshadow and you want to try different colors, you can for sure go for these, and they're just beautiful. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, and I will meet you really soon. Until then, goodbye.